Hey guys, this is Olumide Shomide, your London, Ontario realtor, coming to you from the beautiful city of London, Ontario. Now, this is one of Ironstone's newest builds. It's called The Shift in the northeast end of London. It has amazing schools, amazing nature, trails if you're into that kind of thing. Right here we have one of the models, and they've been furnished. Everything looks beautiful. I'm just going to take you on a quick tour of this building. Now, if you're interested, if you want to have, get more information from me, I'm very close with the builders and I have more information. You can reach out to me. My details are up in this point over here, or you can get my details in the description below. If you want anything, you can call me. Just ask me if you have any questions or you want more information about what we're doing over here. All right, without further ado, let's get into the video. right, and there you have it. One of the amazing new buildings in London, Ontario by Ironstone Building Company, Shift. This property, I'm sure you saw the videos, very amazing, very clean, very contemporary, you know, has all the bells and the whistles. If you're interested, again, you can reach out to me. My number is up here, and you can reach out to me. I'll get my information in the comments below or in the description below. Again, if you're new on this channel, I'd love it if you could like, subscribe, comment, you know, share this to someone who might be interested. I'm right here in London, Ontario. I'm showing my people all the beautiful things about this city. If you're interested in moving over here, I'm your plug, I'm your guy. So you can reach out to me. Again, my details are in the description below. Okay, that's all for now. I'll see you guys in the next video.